Turn your yarn into a touch of luck. Hi my lovely friends, I'm Nazanin from Crochet Simple. Welcome to my cozy crochet corner. Today we're making a super cute and unique motif, a 3D clover. It's super easy and perfect for everyone, especially if you're just starting your crochet journey. So let's crochet positive vibes. Start with magic ring, wrap a yarn around your finger, make an X, insert your hook inside it, grab a yarn, bring it out and make a chain. Now we're gonna making 3 chains. As a first double crochet, wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the circle, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops. Here is our double crochet. Make another double crochet in the same space. Now we're gonna making 2 chains. Again, make 3 double crochet in the circle. Repeat this diagram by making 2 chains and 3 double crochet 2 more times. Okay, close the hole by pulling up the loop. Make 2 chains and join with the slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the first. Now we're gonna making 2 chains. Close the hole by pulling up the loop. Now make 2 chains, not counted as a stitch. Flip your work to the wrong side. You're gonna making bouble crochet. Wrap a yarn around your hook, insert your hook into the chain space, grab a yarn, bring it out, grab a yarn, pull through 2 loops and skip 2 loops on your hook. Repeat this part 4 more times. Second one, the 3rd one, 4th one, and last one. Now pull through all the loops, and now we're gonna making 3 chains and 1 more bubble stitch in the same chain space. Okay, wrap a yarn, insert your hook, grab a yarn, bring it out, and grab a yarn, pull through 2, skip the last part, and repeat this 5 times. In the end, we have 6 loops on our hook. Pull through all the loops and make 3 chains, and go to the next chain space, make 1 bubble crochet, bubble stitch, chain 3 and 1 bubble stitch. Repeat this diagram for each next 2 chain spaces. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first bubble stitch. Cut the tail of the yarn and fasten off. If you make this motif where you would use it on a blanket or a cute bag. Okay, here is our shamrock. Now we're gonna making it in a square shape. Make a slip knot on your hook with your favorite color. Wrap yarn around your hook. Start from space between 2 petals of it. Grab a yarn, bring it out, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Then make 2 chains. Make 3 double crochet in the same chain space. And now we're gonna making 3 double crochet into the next chain space and into the second corner in the next chain space here, make 3 double crochet, two chains, and 3 double crochet. To the next chain space here, 3 double crochet, and repeat this diagram until the end. In the end, make 2 double crochet before the first double crochet that we made, and join with the slip stitch to the first double crochet, or join with the slip stitch to the third chain if you made 5 chain for the start. Okay, go to the chain space by the slip stitch, then make 5 chains as a first double crochet and 2 chains, and again make 3 double crochet in the same space. Now we're gonna making 3 double crochet into the next space between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet. Again 3 double crochet into the next space between 2 clusters of 3 double crochet, and in the corner spaces make 3 double crochet, 2 chains, and 3 double crochet. Repeat this diagram until the end. In the end, make 2 double crochet in the first space before the start chains, and join with the slip stitch to the third chain. Okay, you can make this as big as you want by repeat this round, actually the round 4, but I want to finish it by a round with a single crochets. I move to the corner space by the slip stitch, then make chain 1, doesn't count it as a stitch, make 1 single crochet, 2 chains, and 1 single crochet in the same space, and now I'm gonna making 1 single crochet into the each next stitches until reach to the next corner. In the corner spaces, 1 single crochet, 2 chains, and 1 single crochet, and into the each stitches of each side of a square I just making 1 single crochet. Okay, skip the spaces between the clusters of 3 double crochets in the each side. In the end, join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet, skip that first chain. Okay, cut the yarn and fasten off. Would you like me to share more 3D motif tutorials? Just leave a comment and share your ideas. Secure the tail of the yarns between the stitches in the wrong side. Just moving very slowly into the stitches. I'll secure the other tail of the yarns and I'll be back. Now let's make a little stem for our clover. It's super easy. Make a slip knot on your hook. Start from the round 1 here in the middle stitch of the 3 double crochet. Make a slip stitch in there. Now make 8 chains. And into the second chain from the hook, make a slip stitch. Now make a slip stitch into the each next 6 stitches. Continue with making slip stitches into the each chains. And in the end, a slip stitch to the first stitch in the middle double crochet, cut the yarn and fasten off. I'm here to help you become a confident crochet pro, so don't be shy. Feel free to ask me anything. You can give it a few steam with the steam iron if you want. And And here it is, our lovely 3D Clover motif is done, full of positive energy and made with love. Thanks for staying with me. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Now it's your turn to make this motif and share it with me. Until the next tutorial, please stay full of joy. Love you all. Happy crocheting. See you in next time. Bye.